How to assemble Aisha the articulated paper doll.
Step 1. Download Acrobat Reader if you don't already have it. Step 2. Open the PDF with Acrobat Reader and print on a 4-letter sized paper, preferably glossy 20 GSM+. Step 3 optional. Laminate or tape for more readability. Step 4. Cut out all the pieces. Step 5. Poke holes through the marked dots. Use tiny brads to connect the pieces. You can get these brads on Amazon or AliExpress. Let's assemble her. I chose the blue outfit, which is the most complicated one. You can choose between 3 outfits or mix and match them. And we're done. Have fun giving her cool poses.